Hello guys. Today I'm going to be playing Amnesia. This game is brilliant and I love it. Okay, so let's go on a custom story. Now I've got all these custom stories. A lot of them are quite good, so let's play this one. False Hospitality Chapter 1. I downloaded all these maps especially, so this should be cool. Yay! These games will really scare me. I'm in a dark room. I've got my webcam on, but I'm playing in the dark. Of course, I'll probably get a webcam. Ooh, freaky noises. Hello. Just a dead guy. Hello. Okay. You have a trusted lantern. Some oil in the box. It's been a while since I last played this game, so yeah. Should be good though. Amnesia's a brilliant game. Okay, let's pick up this note. Welcome to our mansion. I hope you enjoy your stay. I remember yesterday you told my butler you want to stay to live here. Huh, good. So please enjoy your stay. Oh, and one more thing, I don't like you here. No one here does. It's a shame. So you have two options. One, stay in your room, rot to death, or you can try to escape if you dare. So please enjoy your stay. At least I got good clothes. And a life partner. A nice dark room. With lots of tin boxes and a bed. Life is essential with beds. What would happen without beds? Just turn on our Mr. Lantern. You start giving lots of things personified. You personify a lot of things. Ooh, yellow nose. Just sauerkraut. Okay. Are you sure about your decision to leave? I'm sure it's something you could work out. Oh, good. Maybe you can go back to your room and rot. Just a suggestion. Although if you really want to be a psycho, press on one thing. Be scared. Be scared. Very scared. I'm going back to my room. I'm sure you can work something out. I don't really mind rotting, to be honest. Hello. Come on. Let me in. Oh. I guess I'll have to. Hate Amnesia. Okay. Hey! Tell the bro. Rats. Okay. Tinder. Rat room. Pretty cool. Is this the rat room? It is the rat room. Always close the door behind you. It could save your life. Opening inwards like a boss. Hey, bud. Whoa. Nope. 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 Ah. Nope. I need a drink. Go away. Please go away. He's gone. He is gone. Happy good news. Happy good news. Hey, how you doing? Great. Oh, Look at the cockroaches. Wow, good thing getting paid. Just want to make sure I don't get chased here. I'd really suck. So I'd have to edit the Benny Hill theme into it. Totally. Okay, loading. Okay. We have reached the kitchen. Let's get some noms. Fingers. I guess you can say it's finger food. Okay, let's check what's in here before going through that door. Lots of legs. Little finger foods. I bet that must have cost an arm and a leg. And a torso. Okay. The music's really discerning. Barrels. Okay. 70 potions. Okay, and that. Whoa! Oh god, no, 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 no. No, 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 no! Run! 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 Guys, I'm out. I'm out. Peace. Oh! Death. Destruction. Not good. Urgh. Get mad. I better get out of here. I bet he's still there. Upside down door. Well done, guys. Tried your best. What? I'll use this. Fuck. Oh, thanks for calling me vile and disgusting. No, makes me feel nice. What? Oh, maybe this might be our answer. Nope. Ooh, this looks great. Oh, they even helped. Good. Well done, guys. You really have done yourself with this much development. Lots of the rock idols. I'm getting shivers. I have a feeling I'm going to need these jail cells. Bonehead. Oh god, I'm so hilarious. Look for potions. The music is really unsettling if you guys can hear that. Hey, there's a dog. Dogs. Ooh, look, an Iron Maiden. I'm sure it'll just be final. Whoa, mate. These are nice feet. Okay. Rats. Oh, rats. Okay, the music's kind of stopped now. I'm feeling worse. I like the ambient track. Aha! Tin day box. That last one won't come in. I just died. Oh, nice one. Well, did I just pass out or something? Because of Darwin. Grab it! Grab it! Ouch! 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 Get it down! Ouch! 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 Just pick it up! No! 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 Get out! Ouch. Okay, I picked up the key at least. I'm back. You slammed the door. Well done. Nice. Just goddamn door. Okay, I have the bedroom key at least. A few cuts and bruises. Oh. No, I don't have enough. How much fuel? Oh, it doesn't matter. I forgot about my lantern actually. Well done, guys. That came with the bedroom. Must be in the middle door. Zombies everywhere. Oh, zombies? Whoa, don't tell me they've barricaded it or something. What? What's that stupid door for a bedroom? Close the door. So I'm not dumb. Well, I don't trust this. Aha. I will nail you with the cross. Okay. Nailed to the cross. Nailed. Nailed. Nailed to the cross. Ooh. Whoa. Fuck. Oh man, he's gonna give us the creeps. Okay, I've reached outside. Just the zombies, they're gone. Okay. I think this is getting near the end of the map. So, let's see. Nice textures, bro. Nice. Whoa! What now? Ooh, ouch. Ouch. What happened there? I mean, seriously. How is that even possible? Ooh, look. Maybe I should go in. Sounds cool. Oh, what? Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's the end, you guys. It's a short one. It's pretty good. Upside down door was pretty cool, and that's all, guys. See you later.